Hello and welcome to the tutorial about how to make an easy hard disk partition. The partition is created uses Windows own tools, so there's no downloads required. The first thing you're going to do is going to the control panel, System and Security, Administrative Tools, then select Computer Management and Disk Management. Then select the partition you want to use. I personally want to make this partition into two smaller. I could either shrink it or I could delete it. Once it's deleted, I can create a new simple volume. Choose roughly half the size available. Assign a disk letter and a disk name. Then once it's formatted, Windows will recognize it and show it like this. And for the other half, it's the same procedure. Drive letter, drive name. And that's it.